In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to upload an official logo to your GoDaddy website. If you want your site to look more professional and consistent with your brand, adding your official logo is one of the easiest and most important updates you can make. The good news is that GoDaddy makes this process pretty simple, and in just a few moments, you can have your logo displayed on your website. To get started, open your GoDaddy account and sign in. Make sure you're using the account that manages the website you want to edit. Once you're logged in, look for your profile area. This is usually located near the top of the page, and it gives you access to your account options and site-related tools. From there, click on My Products. This section shows the services and websites connected to your GoDaddy account. Take your time here and locate the specific website where you want to upload the official logo. If you manage more than one site, just be sure you're selecting the correct one before moving forward. After you open the website, look for the option that allows you to add or change the logo. Click that logo area to begin the update. You should then see an option to upload a logo. Go ahead and click Upload Logo, and then browse your device to find the logo file you want to use. When locating your file, it's a good idea to choose the final official version of your logo, so your website matches your branding everywhere else. If possible, use a clear, high-quality image so it looks sharp on both desktop and mobile screens. Once you find the correct file, select it and let GoDaddy upload it. After the upload is complete, take a quick look at how the logo appears on the page. This helps you confirm that the image is the right one and that it displays properly in the website layout. If everything looks good, the final step is to click Publish. Publishing is important because it makes the change live on your website. If you skip this step, the logo may appear in the editor but won't actually be visible to your visitors. Once you click Publish, your official logo should now be live on your GoDaddy website. And that's it. You've successfully uploaded your official logo and updated your site's branding.